SSD Enclosure is a device that allows you to connect a solid-state drive, SSD, to your computer through a USB or Thunderbolt interface. This device is incredibly useful for those who need to transfer large amounts of data quickly or want to upgrade their computer storage capacity without replacing the existing hard drive. SSD enclosures come in different shapes and sizes, but they all have the same basic components. The enclosure itself is made of sturdy material, such as aluminum or plastic, and is designed to protect the SSD from physical damage. The inside of the enclosure contains a connector that allows you to plug in the SSD and a circuit board that manages the connection between the SSD and your computer. One of the main advantages of using an SSD enclosure is the speed of data transfer. Because SSDs are much faster than traditional hard drives, you can transfer data much more quickly. This is especially useful when working with large files like videos or high-resolution images. Additionally, many SSD enclosures support the latest USB and Thunderbolt standards, which can provide even faster transfer speeds. Another advantage of SSD enclosures is their portability. They are small and lightweight, making them easy to carry with you wherever you go. This means that you can easily transfer data between different computers, or use the enclosure as a backup device for important files. SSD enclosures are also a great way to upgrade the storage capacity of your computer without having to replace the existing hard drive. This is particularly useful for laptops that cannot add an additional hard drive. With an SSD enclosure, you can simply plug in a high-capacity SSD and instantly increase your storage capacity. In conclusion, an SSD enclosure is a versatile and practical device that can greatly enhance your computer's storage capabilities. Whether you need to transfer large amounts of data quickly or want to upgrade your computer's storage capacity, an SSD enclosure is an excellent choice. With its compact size, fast transfer speeds, and easy portability, it is a must-have accessory for any computer user.